Now let's take a look at how GetResponse incorporates AI technology to make creating your digital marketing items even easier. We'll start with creating an autoresponder. So this time we'll select the AI method, and we're going to enter our key points to highlight. We'll say 6-month fitness program, cardio exercises, weight training, and diet and nutrition. Then we'll answer what field you work in. Type in fitness. I'll say fitness coaching. Click next. And you can set your tone of the email. We'll say convincing. And we'll pick our format, our layout, and color scheme. And you can also add your logo here. Click generate. And your email will be automatically generated. And there you go. Here's our autoresponder email. And we can customize it in the GetResponse drag and drop editor. Scroll down. See, for example, here it has a generic company name, so we can customize it here. And overall, it looks pretty good. We'll click next. And here we'll name the autoresponder. And just like in the regular method of creating an autoresponder and GetResponse, we'll enter our settings here. You can send a test message if you want. For now, we'll just click update. And it's created. So now let's create a landing page using AI. Select the AI-powered method. We'll enter what field you work in. We'll say health and wellness. And we'll say nutrition and wellness. And we'll enter our text here, just copying in some demo text. And it'll give you the recommended items to be included in the landing page. Here we have a contact form, fact list, and a sign-up form. You can also add some of the other items down here. For example, testimonial or video. We'll click next for now. And then set your color scheme. And again, you can upload a logo here. Click next step. And you add your company details. Click next step. And the landing page is generated. You get a choice of 3 designs here. Let's select this one. And again, you can customize your landing page in the GetResponse editor. All these items can be edited here and customized. And we'll click Save and Exit. And your landing page is created. One more AI method I wanted to show here is creating an ad. So click on Create Ad. And we'll select Bring New Leads for the type of ad we want to create. I'll ask you what kind of ad you need, and right now there's only one choice, so we'll click that. And we'll choose the AI generator. And we'll answer the question of what the ad is promoting. We'll say a fitness program. Again, we'll enter our field, say health and wellness. Let's make it health coaching. Click next. And it asks what results do you expect. We'll say more leads. And we'll specify our target audience. And we'll say, I'm going to say stay-at-home workers. And we'll enter the URL of our target page where people will go when they click on the ad. So here you get a list of headline choices you can select from. And a list of descriptions. And some other form settings you can do for your ad. Over on the right, you get a preview of the look of the ads you're creating. And there you go.